Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious vegetable soup, step by step. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, such as 2 cups of chopped carrots, 1 cup of celery, and 1 large onion. Wash and chop these vegetables into roughly 1-inch pieces for even cooking. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onions, carrots, and celery, sautéing them for about 5 to 7 minutes until softened. Pour in 6 cups of vegetable broth and 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Now, add any remaining vegetables, like potatoes or green beans, along with your favorite herbs such as 1 teaspoon of dried basil and 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. Let the soup simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, or until all vegetables are tender. Taste the soup and adjust seasonings, adding salt and pepper to your liking for the perfect flavor balance. You can easily customize this soup by adding different vegetables like zucchini or spinach, or even a can of drained chickpeas for extra protein. Leftover soup stores wonderfully in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, making it perfect for meal prep. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, comforting vegetable soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.